Alright. So, I found out the third ICA works. I just used a remote for the other one, and I found out that that turns on this one. And it's on in cool mode at 16 degrees Celsius. This one is staying on this time because, you know, it's a little warmer in the bigger rooms because it's less concentrated. I don't have the remotes with me, so I can control them more, in case it decides to turn off again. But here it is, third ICA running. This is the biggest one of them all. This one doesn't vibrate as much. You can still hear it. I might run this thing tomorrow again. I wish we could operate one of those central air conditioners. That'd be kind of cool. Those are probably Nordine, I imagine. This actually has a nice compressor sound. I like this. I ripped some of the plants out here before. I don't know if you saw them here. They were here before. You can feel the air going in the back here. Blue fan blade. I don't know why, but whenever it's running, it has a sort of blue color to it. They're playing something over there. There. And yeah, there's that one. Yeah, I got the remotes in the pocket, so they cannot control it now. But yeah, third ICA, and then this one over here. I'll turn it back on. But yeah, actually, since this is the third one, and yeah, once again, Santa Cruz, Bolivia. I already got the other two running. Startup shutdown. I just didn't set the camera up for a shutdown. This one turned off from far away, so I'll get this one. This one doesn't need it because it was close enough. But this one's gonna be proper because I got all three controls right here. And this is, this is in Spanish. You can see it. I have it 16 Celsius right here. But all three of the remotes for all three of these ICAs are right here. Bless me. Yeah. So, yeah, I will be here the full day tomorrow. And then I'll be moving for, yeah. But yeah, here's this one that was running. So yeah. Thank you for watching, and over and out. Let's get the shutdown now.